Hello everyone, welcome to Office Central. Today, I will teach you on company profile. To access company profile, go to Global Settings and click on the Company Profile tab. In Office Central, company profile is very important. This is because this company profile contains all your company information that will be used throughout Office Central. When you scroll down, there are a few tabs inside company profile. Firstly, go to basic information. Here, you can put in the basic information of your company such as name, registration number, phone, fax, email address, website URL, time in and time out. For this time in and time out, if you have multiple time in and time out for your staffs, just put the main one here. Next, you can put in your company's address and also additional information. The information here will be used in the company's reports, such as invoices, receipts, and other reports. In Office Central, you can also upload your company's logo by clicking on the Logo tab. In order to upload your logo, click on Choose Profile and choose your logo here. Once you're done, click Upload. Once you see this green, your changes have been saved, that means the logo has been uploaded successfully. You should be able to see your company's logo here. Next, if you are a GST registered company, you can put in your GST information here, such as your company's GST number, date GST verified, date GST effective, and the GST period, whether you are doing GST for monthly or quarterly. What's the difference between GST verified and date GST effective? Date GST verified is the date on the customs letter that says you're verified to be GST registered company. The date GST effective is the date when you start charging GST to your customers. The GST period, you have to choose. Let's say if you're submitting your GST 03 every month, you need to choose monthly. If it's every quarter, which is every 3 months, choose quarterly. This depends on the customs letter that has been sent to you previously during your GST registration. Next, go to Financial. Here you can update your financial and payment information. This will be shown in your invoices and also payroll. This payment information is used in invoices. Payable to is the name that you would like the people to actually write on the check that is going to be paid to you. Next is the bank name. The bank name is your company's bank name, such as maybe Maybank or CIMB and so on. Next is the bank account number. Fill in if you have a few bank accounts for your company, just choose the main one, the one that you get the customers to bank into. Next is the financial information here. You can put in the company's employer EPF number, the company's employer SOCSO number, the company's income tax number, employer for employer part for the PCB purposes, the employer's zakat number, and the employer's tabung haji number. Next, for the default MSIC code, you can put in the default MSIC code that is used by your company. MSIC code stands for Malaysian Statistic Industry Code. So what's the use of this MSIC code? In CRM, which we will learn later, is you can actually put MSIC code for each of your products. However, you might forgot or you might miss some of the products that you don't put your MSIC code there. So in the case that you didn't put in any MSIC code when you set your price book in CRM, we will use this default MSIC code for the GST 03 generation. Next is the PayPal email. At this moment, we don't use this PayPal email yet except for Spakita modules. Therefore, if you don't use Spakita modules, you can leave this empty. Next is the reference number format. In OfficeCentral, you can actually have a customized reference number to be used in your company, such as the invoice reference number, receipt reference number, and so on and so forth. As you can see here, on the left-hand side is for the accounting module, while on the right-hand side is for the CRM module, while at the bottom, this is for the finance module, and this is for the procurement module. As you can see here, you can actually change the things inside here. Okay, please look at this reference. Okay, X will be the running number. Okay, so and then Y will be the current year, or you can just use YY for double digit year. MM will be the current month, which is, let's say if it's January, it will use 01. Okay, if you choose M, only one single M, you can is for one single digit month. Okay, such as if it's January, it will put it as 1. Okay, then DD will be the current day of the month. Okay, if you would like to use single digit, okay, can also use D for single day of the month. Okay, and then LOC will be the short code of the location. Let's say if you use OfficeCentral for multiple locations. So let's see here how to change this. Let's say, okay, for this one, INV-A/YYYY/X, what happened is this will be fixed. Okay, all this will be fixed. Okay, and then this YYYY will be changed into the current year. Let's say this year is 2016, so it will be 2016 slash the running number, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on and so forth. Next, if you like to have month inside your invoice reference number, let's say you want to put in January as 01, double digit, you can actually put it like this. When you put in the system will automatically detect the current month. Let's say the current month is January. It will put in there as 01 slash the running number. Next, you can go to report settings. Here, you can set the requirement of the reports for tax invoices and the delivery order and invoice in CRM. You can choose whether you would like to make the signature as required or not required. Next, you can choose to show customer details to either show the business registration number or the tagging instead. Next, you can choose to show or to hide the salesperson. You can also decide to show or to hide the due date of the invoice and also the tagging. In delivery order and invoice in CRM, you can choose to show picture when you print out the document. If you would like to show picture inside your delivery order, please click here and choose show picture. In invoice, if you would like to show picture as well, click show picture. Next, whenever you have made any changes, please don't forget to click on the Save Changes button on the right-hand side. Next, go to Country Rules. Okay, if you are from Malaysia, you can choose Malaysia. If you are from outside Malaysia, let's say Indonesia, you can choose Indonesia. This will make the system more friendly towards using the rules from the country. Next is language and culture. Here, currently we have two languages, which is English for Malaysia or English for Indonesia, which is about the same, okay? Or you can choose to use Bahasa Indonesia. When you set here, this will be used throughout the system and will be used for all users in your company. Okay. So again, once you have done any changes, okay, please make sure you click the button Save Changes on the right hand side. Thank you.